In this session, we are going to see how to implement row level security, RLS. RLS stands for row level security in Power BI. How to implement it Power BI. So row level security, we can also call it as role based security. Row level security or role based security in Power BI. So we can do this in two ways. We will see. So first of all, we will see what is row level security. I opened Power BI desktop software and I had a PBX file where I created the visualizations. For quickly complete this, right? I will open that PBX file now. So how to open the existing report that is saved in local machine? File, open. So browse it. It is there in my desktop. So there is a report with the name row level security. Open this report. This report contains visualizations which contains 2 pages. Each page contains some visualizations which are showing all the 4 regions information. If you see here, south, west, central and east, all the 4 region information. Similarly, every visualization contains all the 4 regions data here. When you go here, it is showing sales by state. All the states in all the 4 regions it is showing: central, east, south, west. But here the requirement is for so and so business users, I want to show only specific region information. For so and so business users, I want to show only specific region. Let us assume there is a user with the name user 4. I just want to show central region information to user 4. So now when I select central here, you are seeing central, only central region sales here. Similarly here, state wise sales, you are seeing the sales for only central related states. This is how I need to share the report with end users. So I don't want to share all the 4 years information for so and so business users. For some business users, I want to show all the 4 regions information. For some business users, I want to show specific region information, right? For this purpose, one way is going and creating multiple reports. Okay, going and creating multiple reports. So in the report level, you can filter the data. In the report level, what you can do, a report level filter, we have an option. We can drag the region field to the report level filter, region field to the report level filter, and you can apply the filter. No, this is not the right way. Okay, so I need to develop multiple reports in that case. So instead of that, what we can do is, so we have an option called row level security. Here in the complete information, if you want to show only subset of information with the business users, you will implement row level security or role based security. In our case, here our requirement is, instead of showing all the 4 regions information to the business users, I just want to show central region information to the business user or end user. So the way how to do it in Power BI, this row level security, we will see now. As I said, we can implement in 2 ways. Now we will discuss about how to implement it in first way. So the first way, so this is the report which I developed. So to implement row level security or role based security, I need to go to modeling. In the modeling, what you are going to see? Security. Here you have two options: manage roles, view as roles. Now I will go to manage roles and I will create the roles here. Okay, manage roles, create the roles. I'm creating a role. Select create central region. So I will to this role I will add the users, end users. So as per our requirement, I need to add user4 to this central region. So when I add user4 to the central region, what data he need to see? He need to see just central region data. For that purpose, what I need to do in this table, I have 4 regions data. So I don't want to show all the 4 regions data. What I need to show? I just want to show central region data. For that purpose, I need to add filter. On which column? Region column. And what is the value for this region here in this row? The value is central. Similarly, you can go and create multiple rows. Let us assume there are some managers where I want to show only East region data. Fine. So when you create East region role, so what data you need to show? Go to orders table, again go and add the filter. This time the filter is on region again, and the value for this filter is East. Similarly, you can add multiple rows here. Again create a role, this time West region. So go to the orders table, add filter on region column. This time value for the filter is region is West. Right, this way you can create the roles. Right? So to these roles I need to add the business users. So adding the users to the roles we will be doing in Power BI service. We will see how to do it. Okay, once after creating the roles, we can test these roles. How to test the roles? Again go to modeling, in the security, view as roles. Right here you can test the roles which you created. Now when I select it, these are the 3 roles which I created, right? When I added users to this central region, what data they can see this in this report? This report contains complete 4 region information. When I select central region, what information, when I add a user to central region, what information they can see? That you can see it in desktop itself now. Okay, press OK. When you press OK, now just observe the central region role which I created. If I add a user to that role, this is the information he is going to see. Just observe here. You are seeing, just observe what you are seeing here.
This conference will now be recorded.
Just observe what data it is showing. Here it is showing only central region data. Previously, when you see, the total sale is 2.3 millions for all the regions. Now it is showing only central region sales. Similarly, in this visualization, previously it shows all the 4 regions state-wise sales. At this point of time, it is showing only central region state-wise sales. Okay. Now it is showing complete report is showing only central region information. Okay. So this way you can test the roles. So when you stop viewing, again it will show all the 4 regions information. So I can go and test other roles, whatever I created. East region. Okay. When I add a user, business user to this East region role, where I can add this business user to East region role in Power BI service, we will see it, how to add it. When I add a user, what information he is going to see in this report, how the report will be filtered, we will see it now. Press OK. When you press OK, now see it is showing only East region information in complete report. Okay, stop viewing again go to view as roles and test west region role also. Okay, so west region also showing only west region information, only west region states, only west region information. So the roles which we created are working fine. Okay, now what I need to do, from where I can share this report to end user or business user. So this is the development. Power BI desktop is the for development of reports. Whatever the reports we developed in Power BI desktop, we need to publish to Power BI service for sharing purpose. Now I will publish this report to Power BI service. Okay, so to publish this report I need to save this report first. Why? Because once after opening the report I made some changes. What are the changes I made? I created the roles and I need to save this report now. How to save it? Select this button, automatically the report will save. Now I have two service accounts. One is user 3 at nbits.in and the second one is user 4 at nbits.in. These are the two service accounts I have. What I'm going to do now is, to this service account I'm going to publish this report. Whatever the report we developed in Power BI desktop, to this service account I'm going to publish, and from this service account I will share this report to user 4. And before sharing this report, what I can do is, so I can add this user 4 to a specific role which we created in desktop. The reason is, to the user 4 I don't want to show complete all the 4 region information. I just want to show only central region information. That reason what I need to do, I need to add this user 4 to the roles which I created in Power BI desktop. Okay, we will see how to create the roles. First of all, what I will do is I will log into user 3 service account. Okay, how to log in? I already log in, so I am signing out and I am logging again. How to log into service account? Help of app.powerbi.com. App.powerbi.com and log in, and user 3 you need to give service account and its password. I'm giving my password. Enter, sign in. Okay, once you sign in, what I will do is, so for publishing this report, I saved this report. If I select publish, it will publish to Power BI service. So to user 3 I logged in desktop, right? So to where it will publish? It will publish to user 3 AB trainings. User 3 it will publish. So I logged in here. So there are, I don't want to publish it to my workspace. I have multiple reports here. So to avoid confusion, I will create a new workspace, app workspace. So where you can create app workspace, go to workspaces and create app workspace. I will create an app workspace with the name row level security. A folder will be created, row level security. Save it. A folder will be created.
Now be recorded.
How to open that service, how to open this app workspace which we created? Row level security, right? Select this row level security. For now there is no content. To this row level security, app workspace, I need to publish this report. So when I select publish, it will ask to which folder you need to publish this report. Now we created a new app workspace, row level security. To this I need to publish it. Select. Now the report is publishing from Power BI desktop. For what is the reason why we are publishing this report? To share with the business users. Now success, the report got published to Power BI service. Go to Power BI service, refresh it. Now you will see the new content in the app workspace. What is the app workspace? Row level security. So once you publish a report from desktop, what are the components you are going to get in Power BI service? What is the content you are going to get it in Power BI service? So one data set and one report. Okay, this is the data set, this is the report. So when I open the report here, I can see complete data. I can see complete data. I'm the developer. I developed the report. I published this report to the project folder now. And from here, I need to share this report to the business users. So while sharing the report to the business users, so the business users, based on the requirement, they might want to see complete data. They might want to see only specific region data, specific region information. So before doing that, what I will do is I will also create the dashboard to share with the business users. Okay, this is the report. On top of this report, I will go and create one dashboard. So how to create a dashboard? So go to the visualization, select pin visualization. When you select pin visualization, it is asking whether you need to create a new dashboard or whether you need to add this visualization to existing dashboard. As there is no existing dashboards for now, I'm creating the new dashboard. My dashboard name is RLS dashboard, row level security dashboard. Pin it. Similarly, you can pin the visualizations. Whatever the visualizations you want to pin, you can go and pin now. So here I will pin this visualization, sales by state, pin it. Similarly, go to page 2. From the page 2, you pin this visualization, RLS dashboard, existing dashboard it is. Similarly, pin this visualization also. Select pin button, existing dashboard, RLS dashboard. Now, how to see the dashboard? Go to app workspace, row level security. Now in the dashboard, this is the one which we created, RLS dashboard. So now you are seeing this dashboard. So I will share the dashboard and I will share the report. I will share the dashboard, I will share the report to user 4. Here our requirement is user 4 just want to see central information. Central information. What I need to do now? I created the roles in Power BI desktop, right? In the modeling, I created the roles. So I haven't added the users here. Where you can add the users in Power BI service. Now I need to add the users in this row level security. Whatever content you are seeing here, the same content when you expand here, you can even see here. What is the dashboard? What is the report we have? What is the data set? Now, what I need to do is I need to add the users to this data set. So row level security, the name of the data set, go here this time. So these three dots will open the menu. These three dots is for open menu. When you open the menu, you are seeing an option called security. This is the place where you can see the roles that you are created in Power BI desktop. So open the security. Now you are seeing the roles. To these three roles, what is our requirement? User 4 at nbits.in. He just want to see central region data. So I need to add to this role, central region role. User 4 at nbits.in. Analytics benchmark is the user. I'm adding it. Select add. Fine. Save it. Fine. Save it. Now I added to this data set. I go to the security. In the security, I selected the role. I added the user. Fine. So we are done with adding the user. Next step is go to row level security. I need to share this report and dashboard to the business users. How you can share? How you can share the content? Sharing content in Power BI. How you can share the content in Power BI? You can share the content in Power BI in multiple ways. One is direct sharing. So other way is by creating content packs. Other ways by creating apps. These are the three ways we have to share the content in Power BI. What is content in Power BI? So content in Power BI is, this is the content, data sets, workbooks, reports, dashboards. This we call it as content in Power BI. Now, so I said direct sharing, right? This is the one, direct sharing. With this option, you can share the reports and dashboards. Other way is go here and create a content pack. With this way, you can share the reports and dashboards. Other way is creating app or publishing an app. From here, you can create or publish an app. This way, you can share the report to business users. So for now, as this is the easiest way of sharing, I'm going and sharing from here, direct sharing option. Select share, and to which user I need to share it? User 4. User 4. Analytics benchmark, I need to share it. Share. Similarly, go to the dashboard and share the dashboard. So share the dashboard, user 4 nbits.in. Share. Okay. We shared the report, we shared the dashboard. What we done so far? We created the report in Power BI desktop. So this report contains all the 4 regions information. I don't want to share all the 4 region information for specific users. So I just want to show only specific region information. For some business users, I want to show central data. For some business users, I want to show east data. For that reason, I created manage roles. So for each region, I created a role. To these roles, I need to add the users. So for this role, I am filtering the data, region equal to central. So I created the roles to add the users to these roles. Once after creating the roles, what we did, we tested the roles using view as roles option. Once after testing the roles, what we did, we published this report to Power BI service. So why we published this report to Power BI service? To share with the end users or business users. There, what is the first step we did? So we go to the data sets which we published from Power BI desktop. This is the data set. We open the menu, we go to the security option. So here I go into this roles which we created in desktop. So here, as my requirement is user 4 analytics benchmark want to see central region data, I added him to this central region role. Fine. After that, what I did, so I go to row level security workspace. Row level security workspace, in the report and dashboard, I shared with user 4. How can you see to whom you shared this report? Select share option, go to access. In the access, you are seeing this analytics benchmark. He is the user 4. I shared with him. Similarly, in the dashboard, when you select share button, go to access, you'll see to whom you shared this dashboard. I shared with user 4. Now, if you implemented row level security or role based security correctly, so when I log in with user 4, so how to log in with user 4? Select app.powerbi.com. This time I need to log with user 4. Why I need to log with user 4? I need to check it whether we implemented role based security correctly or not. So user 4, I'm giving password, enter. Now where you can see the reports and dashboards that you shared from user 3. This is the user 3, right? Here you shared the report and dashboard from here. So now I log in with user 4. Where user 4 can see that reports and dashboards? In the shared with me folder. You need to go to shared with me folder. So this is the place where you can see the reports and dashboards that are shared with you with this direct option. So when you share with direct option, you can see shared with me. When you create an app, so from service account 4, you need to consume the app. That time app will shown here. Okay, when you create the content pack here to share the content, so that time when you get the content, you can see that content in my workspaces, you can see that content. For now, as I selected direct option, direct sharing, I can see those reports and dashboards under shared with me. This is shared with me. When I open this report, what data I want to see now? So if I implemented row level security or role based security correctly, I just want to see central data. I will open and see this report. What data we can see? Just observe. Now it is showing only central data. Here also only central data. Here state wise sales. Here also it is showing only central states related sales. Only central. The remaining states it is not showing here. So what it is doing? This report now it is showing only central related information. It is not showing other region information. Only central region information it is showing. This way you can implement row level security or role based security. Tomorrow for the same user 4, I want to give I want to give east region access also. I want to give east region access also. What I need to do now? Go to user 3 where you publish that report. Go to the data set, open menu, select security button. This time there is a group for east region. Go and add user 4 again. User 4 analytics benchmark, add him, save it. Now if you go and refresh in the service account 4, what you are going to see? Both central in the shade with me, refresh it. When you open the report, this time you can see central along with east region information. Open it. Why? Because I added this user 4 to two roles. One role is central role, other role is east role. Everywhere I am seeing central and east. Here also I am seeing east states and central states. Fine. We will go and open the dashboard which we build. So shade with me, go to the dashboard also. In the dashboard also we will see only two region information that are central and east. Central and east. If you see here, I am just seeing central and east information. Okay. So this category wise sales is for central and east only. Okay. Only for two states. Right. This way you can implement role based security or row level security in Power BI. So as I said, we had two ways. We seen one way. So why we need one more way is if there are more number of roles. Now I have only 3 roles, only few users, business users. If there are more number of roles and more number of business users, so maintaining this is difficult. So that reason we have one more way of implementing row level security that we will be seeing in next video. Okay. For now, I'm stopping this video, and in the next video, we will see the second way of implementing row level security. Thank you.